Dear students, welcome to CR's digital classes. Today's concept is mean for missing frequency. Mean we have already done, but sometimes some missing frequency problems also they'll be giving in the exam. So let us discuss how this mean for missing frequency will be done. Okay. Okay. Here is an example. Check it out how the example goes on. From the following data, find the missing frequency when mean is 15.38. So mean already they will be giving. From using that mean, we have to find out its missing frequency. So we all know how the mean is done. Three different cases we'll be having, right? Like individual, discrete series and a continuous series. So same thing, whatever the data might be, check it out how the data goes on. Based on that, we know the formula for mean. For that particular formula you have to use, and we have to find out missing frequency here, not the mean already they'll be giving. Some of the frequency they'll be missed out. Check it out here, frequency 3 7 they have given, then they have given question marks, means that we need to find out. So mean is overall average, whatever we do the same mean formula is also same, but here we need to calculate the missing frequency. So let us check it out how it goes on. So whatever the question mark they have given, while entering into the solution, what you do is simply consider that as some x, because it's a missing we need to find out. So instead of question mark, like some x I have considered. Check it out here. So second column, question mark remove and I just add on some x over there. Now solving is as usual. How we'll do, check it out the series, which type of data is that. So check it out, size they have given and frequencies they have given. In the sense it comes under discrete data, right? So whenever discrete data we have, what's the formula? Summation fx by n, right? The same formula we need to consider for the missing frequencies also. First check it out the data, it's a continuous or a discrete or individual, then finding out the formula, and the steps are the same, just we need to find out that missing frequency. So let us do with the formula. So what the formula we have, check it out the formula, the same formula what we'll do for discrete. Mean is equal to x bar is a notation, x bar is equal to summation fx by n we have, right? So the same thing, to get that one, let us check it out the table what we have, how to do the table. So consider x values, that is size as x values, and given data frequency as f, and now we need to get a fx column. So write on f into x in the next column, and let us do the multiplication, that is x value into f value. So 10 into 3, that is 30. So similarly go for the next value, 12 into 7, that is 84 we have. So similarly all the values you have to go on multiplying. Now check it out the third one x is there, right? So how to do here, 14 into x, that goes to 14x, because we can't multiply with the variable, simply we have to write beside that. So 14 into x goes to 14x. Next value as usual, 16 into 20 you do, you'll get as 320. 16 into 20 goes to 320. Okay, similarly go for next values multiplication, 18 into 8 goes to 144 and 20 into 5 goes to 100. So all the values as usual, how we'll do for discrete series to obtain mean, the same way you have to consider. Only new thing here is missing frequencies we need to do, that is here 14 into x goes to 14x. Now how to add up that data, let us check it out. To get summation fx, we have to add up all the last column values, right? So simply whatever the values part we have, that you add up first. 30 plus 80, 84 plus 320 plus 144 plus 100. All the values where we don't have variables, just the values wherever you have, first of all add up all that values. So you'll get as 678. So this is only the value part whatever we have. So that you just add up. So plus the 14x whatever you have, 14x as it is, you have to write it as plus 14x. So that is how we'll get the summation fx value. Now let us check it out how capital N value will get. So simply add up all the frequency values, 3 plus 7 plus, keep x as it is, 20 plus 8 plus 5. So all the values you add up, then plus x as it is, because we can't add variables to the number, right? So simply plus x you keep as it is. Okay. Now let us go for the formula, how the formula goes on. So Now mean, already they have given mean value as some 15.38. We have to utilize to get some value. The other value should be available so that we can get a required value. Two values are missing means one value should be in hand, then only we can find out the missing value. So for that mean, always they'll give mean and if it is discrete data or continuous data, sometimes capital N also they'll mention. So here mean they mention, using that we can find out our missing frequency. So 15.38, let us use here in the formula. What we have the formula for discrete, x bar is equal to summation fx by n, right? So use that formula. Now substitute mean 15.38 is equal to 678 plus 14x divided by 43 plus 6. What are the values? The last column value is summation fx value is 678 plus 14x, right? And the capital N value is 43 plus x. So I have substituted that values as usual. Just the variable is extra here. But obtaining that variable is important, right? Just simply with calculator, you can't go on getting regular values by multiplying, dividing. You will not get here. You have to consider all the values until you will get the x value. Now how to do that one? You have to solve the equation. So what I am doing here is 15.38 as it is I am considering. The downside value, whatever you have, I want to take to the other side. So what happens? Division goes to multiplication, right? So division value has become multiplication here. 15.38 into 43 plus x, which is equal to 678 plus 14x as usual. I'm not doing anything to that. Numerator remains as it is here. Now because it is in multiplication, now just multiply 15.38 into 43, you will get as 661.34 plus 15.38 into x, as it is you have to consider 15.38 into x, okay, is equal to the other side as it is. I'm not doing any changes right now. As it is, I have copied that value. Next, go for the next step. 15.38x, all the x terms together, because x value we need to find out, it should be on the left hand side. So x values together I am writing, remaining constants to the other side. So what happens? 14x goes to the other side. Whenever equal to other side the value goes, what happens? Symbols will change, right? So we have plus sign here, so it goes to minus sign. So whenever you want to change the values from here to there, or this side to other side, left side to right side, or like right side to left side, symbols will change. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So here plus goes to minus in the next step. Check it out. So plus 14x goes to minus 14x here, which is equal to 678 as usual. I'm not changing that one, so it remains as it is, minus that leftover value, whatever you have, 661.34 goes to other side. Here also the same rule, nothing is there, symbol means if you have plus sign here, so it goes to minus sign. So 678 minus 661.34 we have to do. Now this side, both the values you can subtract it, the constants you can subtract. 15.38 minus 14 you do, you'll get as 1.38x, which is equal to, the subtraction value is 16.66. So I got some value. Now I need x value exactly. So remaining whatever the constant you have here, take it to the other side. Here again the same rule, it is in multiplication. When it goes to the other side, it becomes division. Multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. So here I have multiplication here, goes to the other side and becomes division. So x is equal to 16.66 by 1.38 we got. So simply divide using your calculator, get the value for x as 12.072. So check it out. We have all the frequencies in regular values without decimals, right? Let us go back to our table once and let us check it out. So how the values of frequency we have? 3, 7, 20, 8, 5. So x value we can approximate as 12. What we have here, 12.072 we got, right? So approximately we can consider it as 12, because all the values are just the numbers without any decimals. So this also we can approximate it to 12. So the missing frequency we got back as 12. So this is how we find out the missing frequencies. Whatever is missing in the frequency column, same you have to consider as some x. Suppose some more value also will miss out sometimes, like x1, x2 we need to consider, and we have to solve the problem as usual. So this is how we'll find out the missing frequencies. Okay, hope you have understood the problem. See you in the next class. Thank you.